and Tamil. This is our spoken Hindi learning YouTube channel and I welcome every one of you to our new video on relatives, RISTEDAR, SAMBANDHI. In this video, we are going to see about how we have to call relatives like father, mother, brother, sister, elder brother, younger sister, wife, husband, etc. etc. The leader of the family is our father. So we say father in Hindi, Papa. It's not Tamil Papa, it is Papaji or Papa, Pitaji, Bap. Papa, Pitaji, Bap. Mother we call Ma, Manji, Mataji, Amma. Mother we call Ma, Manji, Mataji, Amma. Brother is called Bai. Brother is Bai. The elder brother is called Bhaiya or Bada Bai. Elder brother is called Bhaiya or Bada Bhai. Younger brother is called Chota Bai. Chota Bai is younger brother. Sister is called like Bahan. Sister we call Bahan. Sister is called like Bahan. Elder sister, we say the short name Didi. Didi is for elder sister and there is another word Badi Bahan. Badi Bahan. Like the same way we say younger sister Choti Bahan. Younger sister we call Choti Bahan. Son we say Beta or Putra. Son we say Beta or Putra. Daughter we say Beti or Putri. Beti or Putri. People are telling Ladka and Ladki also. Ladka for son, Ladki for daughter. But Ladka is meant for boy, Ladki meant for girl. Husband we say Pati. Husband we say Pati. And wife we say Patni. Wife we say Patni. There is a word also in vogue. For husband we say Sitapati. For example, I am telling Sitapati. And wife we say Ramapatni. Ramapatni. Son-in-law. Son-in-law we say Damad. Damad. Damad or Jamai. Jamai also we say for son-in-law. Damad. Jamai. Daughter-in-law we say Bahu. Daughter-in-law we say Bahu. Grandfather, father's father, grandfather, father's father we say Dada or Dadaji. Grandmother, father's mother, we say Dadiji, not Dadima. Dadaji, Dadima or Dadiji. Grandfather, who is our mother's father, we call Nana or Nanaji. Grandfather, our mother's mother, grandmother we call Nani, Naniji or Nani, Nani. Mother-in-law we say Sas, Sas. Sas is mother-in-law. And father-in-law we say Sasur. Father-in-law we say Sasur. Uncle, generally as we call in all other languages, Mama or Mamaji. Uncle is Mama or Mamaji. And uncle's wife, aunt, we say Mami or Mamiji. Mami or Mamiji. Brother's wife, we say, elder brother's wife, we give respect in our tradition. Like our mother, our elder brother's wife is. We call them like Bhabi or Bhabiji. Bhaiya Bhabi. Brother, brother's wife. Bhaiya Bhabi. Bhabi and husband's younger brother is called Devar. We say husband's younger brother Devar and husband's younger brother's wife we call Devarani. Devarani. Husband's younger brother is Devar and husband's younger brother's wife is Devarani. There is a song also, right? Didi tera devar divana. Didi tera devar divana. Hai Ram pudiyon ka hai zamana. In that we can identify the word devar. Husband's younger brother is called devar. Husband's younger brother wife is called devarani. In the same way, daughter-in-law's sister is also devarani. Yeah, people are using in different ways this relationship. That too, this devar and devarani. So we will see other few relationships in the next video. Kindly see the WhatsApp link in the description, and please add yourself in our WhatsApp group. In the same way, board image also given there. You can click and watch the board image. My children's channel Pasamalargal is also there to click. You can click and you can enjoy. Namaste. Dhanyavad.